The Heavenly Egg, a tale from Msengeni. In the heart of Nkweba, there lies a quaint village named Msengeni, a place where folklore and reality intertwine seamlessly. On a stormy night, under a sky rent with thunder and lightning, a mystical event unfolded that would become the stuff of legend. It was in the homestead of Vingshi, son of Nentakuma, that the tale began. The family was huddled inside their modest hut, seeking refuge from the tempest raging outside. Suddenly, a loud thud echoed through the room, startling everyone. The sound was unlike any they had heard before, like something hard hitting the roof. Vingshi, with his heart pounding, ventured outside to investigate. There, amidst the rain and the howling wind, he found an egg. But this was no ordinary egg. It was believed to have fallen from heaven, a gift from the gods themselves. In the village of Msengeni, it was said that such an egg would bring good fortune to the household upon which it fell. Realizing the significance of his discovery, Vingshi knew he had to protect the egg from those who might wish to steal its luck. He decided to bury it in the cattle enclosure, a place he believed would be safe from prying eyes and the clutches of witches who roamed the land, always on the lookout for such powerful objects. Days turned into weeks, and the egg lay hidden in the earth, guarded by Vingshi's vigilance. However, the witches, with their dark arts and insatiable greed, eventually found its hiding place. On the night they unearthed the egg, something extraordinary happened. The egg, sensing the danger, transformed into a bullfrog and hopped out, eluding capture. The frog continued its escape until it disappeared into the wilderness, leaving the witches bewildered and defeated. This miraculous event left a lasting mark on Vingshi's family. From that day forward, any member of his family who encountered a frog would be overcome with fear. The sight of a frog would remind them of the night when their lives intersected with the divine, and they would be filled with both awe and trepidation. The story of the heavenly egg and its transformation into a bullfrog became a cherished legend in Msengeni. It was a tale passed down through generations, a reminder of the thin veil between the mundane and the magical in their world. It spoke of the power of faith, the importance of vigilance, and the mysterious ways in which fortune and fate intertwined. In the village of Msengeni, the memory of that stormy night lived on, a testament to the wonders that could occur when the heavens themselves decided to intervene in the lives of ordinary people.